Oh, super sweet. It's like the whole sea is exploding inside your mouth. Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we are cooking this dish that's trending in Singapore, Claypot Lala, or clams and seafood soup. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now I'm going to fry my garlic. Heat up a pan, add in a suitable amount of oil, a little bit more oil now. I have with me over here 1 whole bar of garlic, mince it up like this. Please rinse it once or twice so that it will not get burnt easily, right? Using medium-low heat, we'll put everything in. Move them around, we'll fry them until they are light golden brown, and then we'll separate the oil from the crispy garlic. This will take a while and I'll show you how it looks like in a while. I've been frying this for 1 or 2 minutes, fry until this kind of color. Alright, and then we'll remove the garlic from the oil and separate them, and I'll show you the next step after this. Now we put our dish together. Heat up a clay pot. If you do not have a clay pot, you can just use a pot or a wok. The oil we use to fry the garlic, pour a little bit of this in. This is very flavorful and will help to enhance the flavor of the dish. 20 grams of young ginger, sliced thinly. Put them in. I'm using medium heat right now. Please do the same. Move them around. Fry them until fragrant. This is very popular right now in Singapore. There's a lot of variation of this dish itself. Some uses just lala or clams. Some uses shrimps and other seafood. So it all depends on what you want. You can mix and match to what you prefer. Just fry them until they are a little bit brown. Do not turn up the heat too high. Medium or medium-low will be good. Now as you can see, they're starting to brown already. We'll just fry this for another about 10-20 seconds just to get all the flavors out. Now we'll add in our lala. I have with me over here 1.2 kilograms of lala or clams. Put everything in. I've already cleaned the lala. If you want to know how to clean the clams, I will leave a link in the description box below and you can follow it. Now we'll add in 100 milliliters of Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking wine. At this point of time, please turn the heat up to medium. Yes, move them around a little bit. You want to evaporate the alcohol a little bit, but you still want the maximum flavor from this Chinese cooking wine. Now we can add our other ingredients. I have with me over here about 250 grams of prawns. Just add them in. You can add scallops, add cuttlefish, squid, whatever you want, not a problem at all. I will also be adding in a handful of vegetables. I'm using wong bok over here. You can do the same too. Just stack them up. Now we'll pour in our chicken stock. Approximately 1.2 liters of it. I made this chicken stock myself. If you want to know how to make your own chicken stock, please do follow the link in the description box below. Put the lid on and wait for this to come to a boil. You can turn the heat up now to medium, high or high. I've been cooking this for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. We need the soup to be boiling like this. That means the seafood are almost done. I haven't seasoned this yet, so I'm just going to season this with some salt. Salt is all we need. I'll start with 1 teaspoon first. Season to your taste. Right, this is very sweet. All the natural goodness from the seafood will be here. Give it a light stir. Give it a taste. Oh, really nice. Now all we have to do is to put your crispy garlic. Put as much or as little as you want. Add in some spring onions. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. I really love the aroma that's coming out from here. The ginger, the Chinese wine, the garlic. Let's try the soup. Oh, super sweet. It's like the whole sea is exploding inside your mouth. Let's try one piece of the clam. Cooked just nice. Very plump, very juicy. This is really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to go. See you. Bye bye. Oh.